Who's got you? Huh? No? Oh no! Grandpa's got you! Oh no!
Okay, so do you think we have enough food?
Look, there's Paul. Say hi,
I
Paul.
think we need to run and get some more. It's
Yeah,
getting
you got
kinda
plenty
low.
of food.
Paul, we're Osterbergs. This is what we do.
No, press the button. Turn it back on. Turn it back on.
Turn it back on.
Good job.
Yay!
No, don't touch it again.
Oh, see, now it's a game.
Noah.
Throw him on the couch, Grandpa.
You're so naughty.
That's what we did last time. Oh, yeah, there we go. See, he likes that. See, can you turn it back on now?
Bye-bye.
No?